everyone, and welcome to another episode of Baking with Danielle. Today we're going to be making some bread pudding. This does call for some challah bread. It does need to be a day old. If you bought it fresh, you can put it in the oven at 350 degrees cubed for about 8 to 10 minutes until the bread is hard. So here's a list of the ingredients you're going to need. 1 loaf of day-old challah bread cut into 1-inch cubed pieces, 5 large eggs, lightly beaten, 1 cup of sugar, 4 cups of whole milk, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 cup of raisins. These are optional. Alright guys, to start off, you're going to put your raisins at the bottom of your pan and mix them in with the bread if you're going to use raisins. If you don't use the raisins, make sure that you first coat the pan with Pam and then put your bread in. Now let's start mixing up everything for the mixture. You're just going to mix all of your ingredients in. First start with your wet ingredients. And this recipe is really simple. Doesn't take long to make. Mix in your sugar. Your vanilla. Your cinnamon. And then your nutmeg. Make sure you mix them all together very well. Make sure those eggs are nicely whisked in. You're going to take your bread and then you're just going to pour this over your bread. You want to make sure you get it on all the bread because we're going to have to soak the bread before we do bake. I'm whisking this to make sure that all the eggs are whisked in correctly. Alright, so what you're going to do next is you're going to let this soak for 15 minutes. After the 15 minutes up, you will stick it in your oven at 350 degrees for about 45 to 50 minutes. I'll see y'all back then. Alright guys, this has soaked for 15 minutes. So what we're going to do is stick it in our oven that's at 350 degrees. You're going to bake for the 45 to 50 minutes or until the top is set. So we'll see you back in about 45 minutes. Alright guys, this is what the final product looks like. The top is set, and before you serve it, let it cool completely. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you haven't liked or subscribed, please do that now. See you on the next episode.